Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of IC cards in Japan and how they can totally change the way you travel in the land of the rising sun. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by Japan's intricate transportation system, fret not, because IC cards are here to save the day. Even if you're a first-time visitor, navigating Japan will be a breeze with these handy cards. Now, let's talk about the problem many travelers face in Japan: getting around without an IC card. Trust me, it can be a real hassle trying to figure out the complex ticketing systems and different modes of transport without one of these bad boys in your pocket. But fear not, dear viewers, for IC cards are the ultimate solution to all your travel woes in Japan. These nifty little cards not only make your commute seamless, but also offer a range of perks and discounts that you definitely don't want to miss out on. IC cards in Japan are rechargeable smart cards used primarily for public transportation and also for small purchases at various stores. They are incredibly convenient, allowing travelers to avoid buying individual tickets and making the overall transportation experience smoother. Japan features several regional IC cards, with some of the most common being Suica, used in Tokyo and operated by JR East, and Pasmo, also in Tokyo, operated by Tokyo Metro and other private railways. Other notable cards include Ikoka, used in the Kansai region, Toika in the Tokai region, and Kitaka in Hokkaido. IC cards can be used on most trains, buses, and even for some taxi services across Japan. They are interoperable, meaning a Suica card from Tokyo can be used in Osaka and vice versa. This interoperability extends to convenience stores, vending machines, and some restaurants, making these cards versatile for more than just travel. Using an IC card is simple. You just touch it to the reader at the ticket gates or on the bus. The fare is automatically deducted from the card's balance. Reloading the card is easy and can be done at ticket machines, convenience stores, and sometimes even at major train stations. IC cards can be purchased at ticket machines and service centers at train stations. The initial cost typically includes a deposit, usually around 500 yen, and a preloaded balance. Recharging the card is straightforward and can be done using cash or credit card at various points, including ticket machines and convenience stores. For tourists, IC cards offer the ease of seamless travel across different transport systems without the need to constantly buy tickets. They also provide small discounts on fares compared to buying individual tickets. Additionally, they save time and reduce the hassle, making them an excellent option for those planning to explore multiple regions in Japan.